Welcome back, traders. Today we're going to be talking about breakouts, how to identify them, and how to enter and exit. So there's two different patterns I like to look for in a breakout. So you'll have price going up, finds this resistance, heads back down, then goes right back up to test it again for a second touch, and then fails, goes back down, and hits his third touch and finally breaks out. It usually takes 3 or more touches. So the thing to look out for at this breakout level, look for volume spikes. If you see that there's volume spikes, get in because it's going to go straight up. If you see that low volume, look for this retest. So it would be something like this. Low volume, so it's not going to shoot up. Comes back to retest. If bulls win, it's going to head back up. If not, it's going to fail and go lower. Always wait for that retest if you have low volume. If volume is spiking, get in because it's going to head higher. So the other one we're going to look at is going to be the trend line breakout. So this is going to act as resistance. You see price going up, hits a peak, comes back down, going to retest again, trying to break this downtrend it's in. Even the third touch didn't do it. Wait and see the next touch. The fourth one did. And look, it broke all the way out. So the thing to look out for right here, since it is your entry level, is volume. If volume is spiking up, you have big green bars, get in because it's going to go higher. If volume is low, like shown right here, low volume is going to come back for this retest. It's going to go higher. If volume is low, bears are going to take it lower. Never get faked out with these. Always be patient. I'd rather not enter a trade than just enter one blindly and hoping for the best. So always wait for those breakout levels and always watch the volume because it is important. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at a live one. We're going to look at DraftKings. So you see here for DraftKings, price is going up, hits a peak, then is heading lower, goes back up to retest it. Didn't quite get there, but it's close enough. Goes back down, then retests again. You have about a 5-day chop. It wants to break out, but it's not strong enough yet. Heads back down and finally breaks out. But you see it broke out with some low level. I don't really see any volume spikes over here. So what I do is now wait for the retest. I know that it is the fourth touch, and I'll always look for 3 and more. Now I wait for that retest, and you see it did come back to retest now. So in the upcoming days, I will be watching DraftKings for a possible bounce or a possible put play if it breaks below and the bears take it lower. Also, it does depend on the market sentiment. But this is how easy it is to identify a breakout, how to get in, when to take your profit levels at these resistance levels. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Some key takeaways would be patient while trading and always wait for the pattern to come to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.